You spend 8 hours in bed, but you wake up feeling like you've been in a fight. Your body aches, your mind is a fog, and you hit the snooze button, just begging for 5 more minutes of peace. But that peace never comes. It's just delaying the inevitable exhaustion that haunts your entire day. You drag yourself to the shower. The water hits you, but you're not really there. You're a ghost in your own life. Let's watch someone we'll call Alex. Alex scrolls on his phone until his eyes burn. It's 1 in the morning. He knows he should sleep. But the endless stream of content is a cheap anesthetic for the quiet dread he feels when the phone is off. His room is a mess. Clothes on the floor, leftovers from a delivery meal on his desk. Each item is a small monument to a decision he didn't make. He finally puts the phone down, but his mind doesn't shut off. It replays failures, rehearses arguments, and worries about tomorrow. When he finally drifts off, it's not into sleep, but into a shallow, restless state. He wakes up at 3 a.m., heart pounding, for no reason at all. Then it's back to the phone, a blue light in the darkness, until the alarm blares. This isn't just about bad habits, it's about a nervous system that is screaming for help. Your body is perpetually in a state of low-grade fight or flight. That anxiety you carry all day doesn't just vanish when your head hits the pillow. It follows you into your sleep, poisoning your rest. Your mind sees the unresolved chaos in your life, the messy room, the missed deadlines, the conversations you're avoiding as real, physical threats. So, it keeps you on high alert. Deep sleep, the kind that truly restores you, requires a feeling of safety, and your brain does not feel safe. It feels like it's in a war zone of its own making. Let's be clear, you are the architect of your own exhaustion. Your undisciplined mind and your tolerance for chaos are destroying your biology. You choose the phone over peace. You choose distraction over discipline. You choose the comfort of doing nothing over the discomfort of taking action. This isn't about finding a magic supplement or a 5-minute hack. It's about confronting the fact that your current self is incapable of earning deep rest. So, how do we change this? Not with a to-do list, we change it with a war. A war against your weaker self, starting tonight. Step 1, the shutdown ritual. 90 minutes before bed, you are preparing for a sacred mission. Sleep. All screens are off, no negotiations. If this feels impossible, it just proves how deep the addiction is. The boredom you'll feel is the withdrawal. Sit with it. Let the discomfort wash over you. This is the first battle. Step 2, the environment purge. Look at your room. Every object out of place is static in your mind. Don't just clean up, prepare your sanctuary. Clear the battlefield, fold your clothes, throw out the trash. Make your bed for the morning. You are signaling to your primal brain, this area is secure. There are no immediate threats here. Step 3, the mind purge. Take a single piece of paper. Write down every single thing that is bothering you. Every task, every worry, every fear. Get it out of your head and onto the page. Don't analyze it, just dump it. This is not a journal. This is an external hard drive for your anxiety. Once it's on paper, it's out of your head for the night. The problem will still be there tomorrow, but it will not sleep in your bed with you. Step 4, the anchor. Lie in bed in complete darkness. Do not try to sleep. Instead, focus on one thing and one thing only. The physical sensation of your breath. Feel the air come in. Feel it go out. Your mind will wander. It will try to drag you back into chaos. Each time it does, don't fight it. Simply notice it and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Again and again and again. This is not meditation for relaxation. This is training. You are training the muscle of focus. You are asserting command. This is not a routine you try. This is a new identity you assume. You are no longer the person who hopes for good sleep. You are the person who commands it. You are the person whose discipline during the day earns them peace at night. You are a warrior preparing for the next day's battle, and your rest is your whetstone. It is non-negotiable. Become this person, and you will never wake up tired again. You will wake up ready for the war that is your life, and you will win. Thanks for watching.